bursting with flavors and barely any ingredients. That is the specialty of Macher Tel Jhol. The best fish curry ever, guys. Let's make this together. I'm using Rui Macher. This is 500 grams and I'm coating it well with salt and turmeric powder. Next, we are going to get ready to fry them. For frying them, we are going to definitely use mustard oil. This is 3 tablespoons of mustard oil, and we are going to heat the oil till it reaches high heat, and we are going to fry the fish till it turns golden brown on both sides. It should take approximately 1 to 2 minutes per side. One of the main flavors of this particular fish curry comes from mustard oil, guys. If you don't have mustard oil at home, make this recipe another time. You're new to my channel, welcome. If you love Bengali food especially, consider subscribing. To the same pan, add a little more mustard oil if needed, and next add in half a teaspoon of Kalonji or Kalonji or Nigella seeds. Next goes in 4 to 6 slit green chillies, 3/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder and salt to taste. Guys, these green chillies are not very hot, so I'm adding a lot. You can add as many as you like, but the flavor of green chilies with turmeric powder and mustard oil is magic, guys. Next goes in 1 medium tomato that has been chopped into small pieces. We are going to stir fry the tomatoes while pressing it down with our spatula so that it turns nice and pasty and oily. That is going to be the base for the gravy, so make sure to cook it till it looks oily, guys. Next, we are going to add 1 cup of water, and we are going to wait till the gravy starts to simmer. Once it starts to simmer, you can add the fish pieces in. Make sure that the pieces are nicely submerged in the gravy. That's it. We're going to let the gravy simmer till it doesn't taste dilute anymore. You can add in some more green chilies if you wish. I love green chilies. I love it especially in this curry, so I'm adding a lot. And these chilies are not very hot, as I said. So you add as you prefer. If you guys prefer written recipes, I have a blog called nupursindiankitchen.com, so do check that out. Give the gravy a taste, see if it needs a little more salt. No sugar in this recipe, okay? Add in some more mustard oil from the top. That is the main taste in this recipe. Cover it with coriander leaves. Take your plate of hot white rice and you will be in bliss, guys.